So, watch this. There's two types of people. Somebody say there's two types of people. There they are. Those who write history, say that. And those who make history. This side, you gonna make history? Come on, talk to me. You gonna make history? Okay. Cousins, you gonna make history? Cousins, you gonna make history? Yeah, right? Because there's two types of people. You can either write it or you can be remembered for it. Dr. King didn't have to write it, but guess what? His words and his impact, what did he do? It changed the world. And all he did, he standing on business. He standing on equality. He said, I'm going to change one person's life at a time. He said, I'm not writing history, I'm going to make history. Here's the thing I want you to understand. Whether you believe it or not, you're leaving a legacy. If you do nothing, you're leaving a legacy of nothing. If you're doing something, you're leaving a legacy of something. And here's what I know and what I know to be true. Those who do nothing get nothing, but those who do something get something. And there's nothing more better in life than changing somebody's life or impacting one individual one day at a time. Check this out. Now, I'm big on family. Now, everybody say hi, Harmony. My daughter right there. Harmony, can you wave just like? Yeah. Well, no, let's do it this way. Can we all say hi, cousin Harmony? Hi, Harmony, wave one more time, baby girl. Yeah, right? Right? So, watch this. Like I told you, my dad has never given me anything. My dad has never given me nothing. But watch this, y'all. I said to myself, I said, I'm not going to make the mistakes that my father made. I'm going to rewrite the history and make history through my children's life. And so you look at my daughter, she's 5 years old, y'all, she's an author. What? Where did they do that at? Right? She's 5 and she's an author. Because I said to myself, I said, listen to me, the biggest thing is to make sure that my children are able to make impact as well. And you see that people have bought her book, purchased her book. You look at my son Aiden in the bottom right, you see him up there with me as well, right? Aiden and Jaymon, they funny. Like Jaymon's the one like, Dad, I need these J's. I ain't trying to hear nothing else. I need them J's. I said, well, you got a job? He said, no, but I know you do. He said, I need these J's, Dad. And I'm saying, well, what do you need the J's for? You know, I just gotta look fresh, Dad. You know what it is. I can't be going to school looking crazy. I said, well, let me ask you this, right? Because it's not what you wear, it's who you are. Somebody repeat it after me. It's not what you wear, it's who you are. Right? Now watch this. You look at Dr. King, and you see him with his family, right? See, family for me is the driving force of everything. And one thing that I do know is that as my mom took me one day into this cabinet, y'all, I'll never forget it. And she said to me, she said, baby, I want you to look in this cabinet and tell me what you see. I said, ma'am, I see beans and noodles. She said, She said, baby, what you see? I said, beans and what? She said, baby, I'm gonna ask you one more time. If you get it wrong, I'll hit you upside your head. I ain't playing with you. I said, okay, man, hopefully I can get this right. I'm in there just like, okay, ask me again, Mom. She said, what you see? I said, ooh, as soon as I get up out of here, I'm gonna create a song called Beans and Noodles. Boom, boom, beans and noodles. Hey, beans. This right say beans, and you say and y'all say noodles. You ready? Boom, boom, boom. Hey, clap it up, let's go. We about to go viral, baby. Takeaway is what I want you guys to understand. Like, legacy is not meant for you, but it's meant for the people coming behind you. And when my mama literally said to me, she said, what do you see in this cabinet? I said, ma'am, I just see beans. She said, no, we have a meal. She said, no, what we have is opportunity. She said, somebody's not eating tonight. And so I understand this, y'all. At the end of the day, you have to take everything that life has given you. And Dr. King took everything that he needed to take. Adversity. He took perseverance. He took grit. And he said to himself, he said, I'm going to take every ingredient. No ingredient goes to waste. And I'm going to make history. I'm going to change the world. And I'm going to stand on business all 2024. Stand to your feet for me, y'all. Stand to your feet. Come on. Here we go. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. right? And here's the thing I want you to understand. Say, don't live. Come on, don't live just to exist, but live to be remembered. Don't live just to exist, but live to be remembered. Who's ready to make history? Turn to your neighbor. Say, neighbor, equality look good on you. Turn to your other neighbor. Say, neighbor, history look good on you. Now, last thing I want you guys to understand before you go, right? I come bearing gifts, right? So this is what I want. Everybody scan the QR code. You're going to get a copy of my book, and you're also going to get a cheat sheet on how to make money as an entrepreneur in high school. That's my gift to y'all, all right? All right, one last time. Don't live just to exist, but live to be remembered. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Let's get it. Let's grow. Let's be great.